it's the one that's on the bus with this one. It's just a case of rewiring and doing a few little bits. I am going to use a head torch as this camera's nearly flat, but this camera catches the voice better. So without further ado, we'll get to set and I'll explain it as I'm doing what I'm doing. Job, take off the old marker light. They are just screwed into the body, so just take them off. I have set up the best I can so you can see as much as possible, although you will have to bear with me. As you see, a busy day in the shed today. Already moving around. Now the most has been painted since these marker lights were put on. You see there's the original blue. That marker light off. Right, feed these wires back through. This is all I did originally, just to put them on. Go back through. So we'll go through, just may take a little bit of persuasion. There we go. All the boost pump wiring's in this corner as well. So it is a bit cramped on the side of wiring, but nothing too bad. So just screw this back in. I have already checked there is voltage there. Well, I did that before, messed about with this, so I knew that it wasn't like my wiring had already gone a bit dicky. Well, that's that up. Right, I need some pliers. I should have got all my stuff ready. I have no idea what they're doing. So chances are I'm going to need 2 of these little red ones. Don't need a spanner, these can go in there, and I need that set of pliers and possibly that set, just to help crimp it down. Then in the back now, we have, this is the positive feed which comes out the back of the light. They are just wired into the light, there's nothing fancy going on there. I literally spaced into the light and took it from there. But I will show you that one day because this light does need replacing. I'll try that, don't let it touch anything metal because that is now live. Stick one of these on it. Go as far as possible. And then clamp down on that end. Fine. There's the negative, so we'll do the same with the negative. While we've got it, might as well. Oh. Could do with a pair of wire strippers, but I had some, but they've gone missing. Well, that's that done. Same again. There's a little red bit. Found all the spares. There's that one. So that just into there. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure what you say. I am hoping this video does come out. Also, I'm not 100% sure what you can hear. But I try my best. Say, to keep my lights on at the moment, I've got to run the engine. So that is then them two. Where it's just gone. Spaced off. Now, we can see the electricity. We put the meter on. Put the red in there. So, black in there. At 28.2 volts, which is what the alternator is putting out. So now all that's needed to do is attach them to the actual light fitting, which is in there. So we'll put the red onto the red. It is a bit fidgety. I think last time I did it lying on the floor, looking upwards. That's the way we'll look at it this time. Yes, it is. As I sat in here, did it. So I do apologise if it's just got a whole lot louder. But this is how I did it last time. Sat here like this. marker like that. So this one must have got a bit of paint or something in it, and it's just it's fucked it. That one works. Same as the one on this side. Just there. They are wired the same, so there is no difference in the wiring. So let's see if I've got some cable ties. That can go in the shit bin. Don't think I do. In fact, I'm pretty sure I don't. Okay, still got lanyards if anyone wants them, just get in contact. That's my battery tester. No, I don't have any. So what I'll do is next week I'll just cable tie that up so it looks a bit neater and it's not flopping around in the beak, but we've got the marker light back, which is the main thing that we needed. So that's all for this video. I know it's only a quick video and it's not much, you know, you're not seeing much of me, but that's all we've got for this one. It's a nice simple easy fix. It's a new little way I'm going to be doing the videos, doing one task per video rather than doing like 6 jobs per video and then the video being 4 days long. It's easier for me to do the little jobs like this. So thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Make sure you do press the bell and subscribe. It all makes a massive difference and it is very much welcomed. Any help that can be done. But that is this job done. On to the next one.